5 common mistakes made when buying a home. Number 1, ignoring the importance of location. Location is crucial when purchasing a home. Consider proximity to work, schools, and amenities like shopping, restaurants, and parks. Number 2, overlooking hidden costs. Many buyers focus only on the purchase price of the home and forget to factor in additional expenses such as property taxes, homeowners association fees, utilities, and maintenance costs. Number 3, skipping the home inspection. Skipping a home inspection to save a few bucks is a common mistake. A thorough inspection can reveal potential problems and help you avoid expensive repairs down the road. Number 4, not doing enough research. Buyers should research not only the home, but also the surrounding neighborhood. Consider factors like local schools, crime rates, and transportation options to ensure that the home is in a desirable location. Number 5, being too emotional. It's easy to fall in love with a home, but buyers should try to stay objective and not let emotions cloud their judgment. Consider the home's features and potential resale value rather than just its aesthetic appeal. By being aware of these common mistakes, buyers can avoid them and make a more informed decision when purchasing a new home.